Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account and log in and use Squarespace. First, you need to go to squarespace.com and then click enter. Then click on login on the top left. After clicking it, you can see on the top left to create account. Then click on it and then you can continue with Google if you have a Google account. And then select your account. So that's it, your account has been created. So if you log out, then you will need to log in since you have created your account already. So you just need to log in and continue with Google, and you will be logged into your desired account. It is a very easy process. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel